Oisín in Tír na Nóg. Oisín was the son of Fionn MacCool, leader of the Fianna. One day while hunting, the Fianna saw a beautiful woman riding a snow-white horse. Her golden hair flowed down her back as she introduced herself. "I am Ní Shuilleabháin, Ní of the golden hair, daughter of the king of Tír na Nóg. I have come to bring Oisín with me to the land of eternal youth." Oisín was instantly smitten and without hesitation said goodbye to his father and the Fianna, climbed onto the horse and together with Ní rode through the mist across the sea until they reached Tír na Nóg. He lived happily there with Ní, but he longed to see Fionn and the Fianna. Ní gave him her enchanted horse, warning him, "If you touch Irish soil, you can never return again." When Oisín reached Ireland, he found 300 years had passed. His father and the Fianna were gone. Seeing men struggling to move a heavy stone, he leaned down to help, but the saddle strap broke and he fell to the ground. Instantly he became a withered old man, and soon after he died, leaving only the memory of his legend.